Hello love, after Saigon, we transferred to SM Mall of Asia for dinner. We tried Tender Bob's, a restaurant which serves steaks, pasta, and burgers. Dahil gutom ang mga persons, we ordered salad and pasta bolognese for sharing at tag-iisa kaming plate of our choice of steak. I tried their shake and I love it. Sobrang creamy, very evident yung strawberry flavor. And of course, ito rin yung isa sa mga favorites ko, ang house salads nila. We also got a bolognese, very good yung proportion ng noodles and nung sauce. And these are the steaks that we got. Sobra naming matakaw kasi kanya-kanya kaming plate of steak. Let's eat! Kaunta! This is the steak that I got. The US Angus roast beef belly served with buttered mixed veggies and Java rice. One can order this served with mashed potatoes if ayaw naman ng rice. Sobrang soft and tender ng kanyang meat without it tearing apart, and masarap rin ang kanyang sauce. Medyo overcooked lang ang sweet corn, but forgivable naman. After the steak, I still got a small portion of the spaghetti bolognese kasi patay gutom tayo for this video. Yun lang. Okay, thanks. Bye!